Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart trendy collections based for your office wear, daily wear. So let me display this one, very beautiful one and very elegant looks, also of white base with contrast cut border and full base part is beautiful kata stitch pattern, stitching stripes design, and this one is full border portions, contrast color border ikat design, and full base part is beautiful stitching stripes pattern, and this one pallu portions fully highlighted bouquet pattern weaving design work pallu, and this one full base part very smart trendy and elegant looks, soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is contrast color border silk material ikat border, and full base part is fine weaving stitching stripes design, and base part is cotton fabric pure handloom cotton. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful one cotton silk material pure handloom cotton silk, and full base part is self weaving design checks pattern, self weaving design contrast color border, and full border portion is stripes with beautiful dobby weaving pattern design, and this one full base part very nice looks, fully self weaving work cotton silk material pure handloom self weaving design, and this one pallu portions contrast color pallu maroon shade with highlighted stripes and beautiful weaving self weaving design, very nice trendy looks. And this one full base part fully weaving design full base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part very trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also same material same pattern different color combinations premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material contrast border weaving border stripes with weaving work, and this one full base part fully self weaving design dobby pattern weaving design, and this one border portions contrast color stripes with beautiful dobby weaving design border, and this one is full base part is self weaving work bright orange shade and very elegant bright looks handloom cotton silk material, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions fully contrast color with highlighted stripes pattern pallu very smart and bright trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful elegant one of white base and khadi cotton silk material golden zari border and full base part very smart looks and pure handloom one, and this one is border portions beautiful fine checks pattern design golden zari with fine checks design border portions, and this one full base part khadi cotton silk material soft comfortable summer friendly very elegant looks of white base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions fully contrast color highlighted gicha stripes pallu and very soft lightweight comfortable based for your summer wear office wear very smart looks. And this one contrast blouse piece silk material Gujarati work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful bright looks and premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk material, and this one is border portions contrast color temple pattern fine weaving design work border, this one border portions very nice looks, and this one is full base part premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk material, and this one is highlighted weaving border, and this one full base part very soft comfortable summer friendly smart looks based for your daily use, this one running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions fully contrast color fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one border portions very nice looks and very soft one summer friendly. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base with beautiful ikat pattern design. Same material today I have draped. This one full base part, 3 color shades ikat design, and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, premium quality cotton fabric. And this one pallu portions contrast color stripes pattern, and this one is full base part, very soft one and elegant looks. Nice one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will show this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material, contrast border. And this one full base part, very nice looks. And this one is full base part, beautiful one. This one is contrast color border, and this one pallu portions fully contrast color with fine weaving stripes design work pallu. This one is fully hand weaving design, pure handloom cotton silk material. And this one is full base part, this one is upper base part, and this one split section patli pallu pattern, same contrast color with fine weaving stripes lines, split section. And this one is upper base part, this one is running blouse piece, very nice, trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your nice looks. And this one also khadi cotton base, bright magenta pink shade, contrast blue piping, and full base part is khadi cotton base, silver zari border, contrast blue piping, very nice elegant looks, trendy obviously. This one full base part, beautiful one, silver zari border. And this one pallu portions fully contrast color with silver zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base, and this one running blouse piece. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy daily looks. And this one also very beautiful one, elegant color combinations, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane material, full base part is plain, very elegant trendy looks. This one full base part, bright color combinations, full base part is plain, and pallu in beautiful pom-pom design. And this one full base, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane. This one is full base part, very exclusive trendy look, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one sorry, this one is very beautiful, bright looks, black with golden zari work, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material. And this one full base part is fine golden zari weaving buta design, and this one is border portions fully golden zari fine hand weaving work. This one is fine hand weaving design and handloom cotton silk material. And this one is pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful weaving buta design, very nice bright looks, black with golden contrast. And this one full base part, this one is highlighted border, and full base part is fine weaving buta. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy work, Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your nice looks and elegant bright looks. It's a very beautiful one, bright color combinations, handloom cotton silk material, sequin design, full base part. And this one full base part, same sequin stripes design, handloom cotton silk material. This one is full base part, beautiful sequin stripes design, very smart elegant looks, bright one. This one is full base part, same plain with sequin design. And this one pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful fine weaving buta with sequin stripes design, very smart, bright and elegant looks, bright color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also very beautiful one, handloom cotton silk material with kotki stripes design, and full base part is beautiful checks pattern design. This one, full base part khadi cotton silk base. This one is contrast color border, and full base part is beautiful fine checks design. This one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, elegant looks. And this one, pallu portions fully contrast kotki stripes pallu. And this one, full base part, very nice one. This one is full base part is same checks design. This one is full base, soft, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your nice looks. It's in a very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful printed one, very trendy looks, best for your daily wear, office wear, very nice one. This one, full base part, beautiful printed one. This one is contrast color border with nice printed and very elegant trendy look, soft, comfortable cotton base. And this one, full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, contrast color stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, very nice looks. And this one is border portion, soft, comfortable. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. And this one also, a beautiful one, premium quality handloom taat design, Bengal traditional taat with embroidery design, very smart looks. This one is full base part, Bengal traditional taat with stripes pattern, weaving lines border, and full base part is beautiful fine embroidery design, very trendy looks without running blouse piece, only saree length. And this one, pallu portions fully embroidery design work, and Bengal traditional taat base with stripes, weaving lines border, and full base part is fine embroidery design, and base part is cotton fabric. And I will suggest this silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and traditional looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk base, highlighted 1-inch golden zari border, and full base part is plain, very smart and elegant looks, beautiful color combinations, highlighted golden zari border, and full base part is soft, comfortable khadi cotton silk base. This one, pallu portions, contrast color pallu, and this one, full base, very nice looks. This one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, very nice trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, pure white base, golden zari weaving polka design, and golden zari border, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material. This one, full base part, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton with fine weaving, golden zari weaving polka design. This one is golden zari border and pure white base, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, very elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, highlighted golden zari lines with beautiful weaving polka design pallu, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one. This contrast blouse piece, silk material, fine weaving design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and elegant looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material with beautiful design work, fully fine weaving design border. This one, full base part, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material. This one is border portions, feather like weaving design checks pattern border, and this one is middle portions, fully feather like weaving design, very smart elegant looks. And this one, pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes with beautiful weaving pattern, very trendy and smart bright looks. And this one, full base part. This one is border portions, and this one is full base part. This one, running blouse piece, and full base part is same weaving design, very exclusive elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also in a very bright one, handloom cotton silk material, bright color combinations, bright orange shade. This one in a full base part, bright orange shade base, handloom cotton silk material, and very soft one, summer friendly cotton silk based for your office wear, daily wear. This one is full base part, and this one pallu portions fully contrast color, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base, very trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, silk weaving work, contrast blouse piece. This is for your exclusive smart bright looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, same material, handloom cotton silk material, and very smart and bright looks. This one full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful color combinations. And this one split section patli pallu pattern, this one is split section, different contrast color, golden set color splits, and this one is upper base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portion, same patli pallu pattern, very elegant bright looks. This one is full base, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy digital printed weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. It's a very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, and this one is golden saree border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving stripes lines, very elegant fresh looks, pure white base, khadi cotton base, and this one is golden saree border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving stripes line, and pure handloom khadi cotton white base. This one full base part is same work, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, highlighted fine weaving design stripes pattern pallu, and very soft comfortable summer friendly pure white khadi cotton. And I will suggest this silk material Gujarati work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and elegant looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane with border, silver saree border, and this one black base, very bright elegant looks. This one is border portion, silver saree contrast color lines border, and this one pallu portions, highlighted lines with beautiful silver saree white patch pallu, and very smart elegant looks with beautiful pom pom design. And this one full base part, premium quality pure handloom fine lane by lane black base, contrast border, silver saree with contrast color border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, silk weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And today I have tripped a beautiful saree, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base ikat design, and 3 color shades with beautiful ikat pattern, and very soft comfortable summer friendly based for your daily wear, office wear. And this one is highlighted contrast color pallu. Very beautiful saree and beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.